Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how much YouTube paid me for Bitcoin related videos. So I'm sure you guys have heard all over the news, Bitcoin has been on the rise recently, and I have multiple Bitcoin related videos that I've uploaded in the past. And if you guys are not aware, YouTube pays YouTubers via YouTube ads, and ads are placed on the video based off of whatever the topic of your channel or whatever the topic of the video is. So each topic is paid different amounts per 1,000 views, and I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what YouTube paid me for Bitcoin related videos. So let's jump into it. Okay, so I made this video, how to buy Bitcoin on your phone, and since published, it has generated over 20,000 views. So scrolling over to how much YouTube has paid me for 20,000 views is $105.30. So let's add all of this together here. So 105.30 cents. So we'll keep that number in mind. Just filtering it out to the last 7 days. So in the last 7 days, I got paid a total of $3.33 for this video that generated over 400 views. So just looking at it from a day to day, you can see one day I got paid 25 cents, 90 cents, 59 cents, 65 cents, 47, and 48. So this is a 2-minute video. And if you guys are not aware, videos are over, I think it's either 7 or 8 minutes at this point. You could place multiple ads on it depending on how many ads you want up to show on the video, or you could select auto ad placement and YouTube will place however many ads they deem fit. So for videos under 7 minutes right now, you only get one ad in the beginning and maybe an ad at the end, depending on what the topic is. So that's how much YouTube paid me for that video. Okay, next is a newer video that I'd recently uploaded, how to withdraw money from Coinbase, which is a crypto trading platform. As you can see, it has only gotten 137 views and so far has paid me out 29 cents. So let's add that to the calculator here. So plus 0.29. Okay, so jumping on to the main channel here. Okay, so as you can see, since published, this Bitcoin video generated 14,000 views, almost 15,000 at this point. And as you can see, it is an over 10-minute video. And since it has been published, YouTube has paid me $162.37. So let's add that onto the calculator here. It's 162 equals. So far, we're at a total of $270.71. Okay, so let's filter out to the last 7 days. How much has this video been making me? Again, it has been generating around 200 views and made me $3.25. The biggest day for this video is 93 cents. So we have 2 more videos for you guys here. So the next video generated 2,000 views, 2,400 to be exact. And as you can see, YouTube paid me $46.05, which is phenomenal for a video that's only 3 minutes 47 seconds. It doesn't even have multiple ads placed on it. It just so happens to be generating that much money just based off of 1 or 2 ads, like one ad showed in the beginning and maybe an ad showed at the end. So going to the revenue here, let's filter it out to the last 7 days. So in the last 7 days, YouTube has paid me $8.88 for this video. We can see I got paid 46 cents here, 41 cents, and jumped up to $2.27, $2.16, $1.87, and at the end, it's a little off screen, $1.71. So published that $46. We're going to add that onto the calculator here. So plus 46.5 cents. So far, $316.76. Okay, jumping to the last video I'm going to show you guys. Okay, as you can see, since it has been published, this video has generated 48,000 views and YouTube has paid me $676.15, which is phenomenal. As you can see, it had a nice little spike in terms of views on this day where it got 1,100 views because of all the Bitcoin news that has been going out recently. So let's filter this out to the last 7 days so I can show you guys how much YouTube paid me for this video. So in the last 7 days, this video itself has generated over 5,000 views. And going over to the revenue tab, YouTube has paid me $87.32 just in the last 7 days for this one video. So that has been great for me. As you can see, on this day, I made $8, $9.50, $15 just in a single day, which is crazy. $19.70 here, $18.58, and off screen it is $15.67. So going back here, let's add that to the calculator. So just adding, so plus 676, 2015. So far through my multiple YouTube channels, I was able to generate almost $1,000 with Bitcoin videos, and the newer Bitcoin videos I have been making, YouTube has been paying me a little bit more per ad, just probably because of it being the end of the year and more ads are shown on YouTube videos at the end of the year, because most advertisers are trying to get people to buy things at the end of the year for Christmas and everything. So just from these 6 videos, you can see that YouTube is a highly profitable way to make passive income, because like I said, I made some of these videos months or years ago, and they are still paying me to this day. While I do other things, I could be making other videos, or I could be working on other side projects while these videos are just floating out there for people to search for. That's why I think if you're a newer YouTuber, you should be really trying to focus on searchable content, like these tutorials, like how-to videos. They're always going to be out there. The information is always going to be the same, assuming that the apps don't update. And when the apps do update, you could always create an updated video with the updates that has been made on the apps. So let me know if you want more videos like this, if you want more videos of me showing you guys my YouTube income on the back end, or maybe how to generate some more views with searchable content. And I could make a whole dedicated series showing you guys like how to grow on YouTube. If you wanted to see something like that, let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.